I'm here at the official launch of ZCC Cutting Tools' brand new UK facility, the Technology and Demonstration Centre. The doors are officially open. Let's head on inside.
Today represents the next part of the journey for ZCC Cutting Tools in the UK, a physical presence and a new brand.
ZCC are building a community where British engineers and global expertise collide.
In cutting tools, everybody focuses on the cutting tool as a problem. We can only do what we can achieve to the optimum with everything, machine tools, oils and lubrications, work holding, tool holding together as a collaborative partnership. So it makes sense to bring these people in with us and get it out there to the industry.
It's that human element, like the conversations happening right behind me, that will drive industry forward.
It's been actually organised very professionally. We've had some good speakers saying some really nice words about various subjects that are all very, very close to our hearts, from education through to supporting manufacturing, and a really good turnout of people as well.
I think today has been fantastic. There's lots of people here, lots of the signature partners here, also some of the customers and distribution that work with ZCC. Fantastic, extremely busy day, yeah.
Locations like this, with the machine, the setup that they've got, will draw the industry's eyes, it will draw the attention, and we're proud to be a part of that. We can grow it from here. This is just the beginning.
The machines are impressive, but the real power is in partnerships, and it's not just about selling tools, but about solving problems face to face.
So the TDC is ultimately for our customers, our partners, our colleagues, but more importantly for the next generation of engineers. This will be an engineering hub for people to come and see the latest stuff on the market, for the partners to bring in their customers and try and create this own ecosystem and environment and community where we give back more than what we take.
As we enter the next phase of development for ZCC Cutting Tools in the UK, it was very important that we built this physical presence. This world-class technology and demonstration centre will give us that next platform to engage with customers, being able to bring them into this facility and show exactly what we're capable of.
A new chapter starts today, and the industry is watching.